Welcome back to Semper Fi Mechanic, and today I'm going to save you $100. The quote you're about to see is a quote I got from a company called Your Mechanic. They was going to charge me $100 to change the battery on a Chevy Equinox, so I'm going to show you how to do it for free. Stick this battery cover, slide it to the right, and remove it. Once you have it removed, get you a 10mm deep socket. And you'll see the 10mm bolt right here. That's the only thing that's holding on the ECM. Once you get that 10mm bolt, go ahead and pick the ECM up off the battery and just set it off to the left hand side. Grab you a flathead screwdriver. We're going to remove some push pins real quick. This vehicle only had one, but I think there's three actually that hold this in. And we have to remove this little covering to get to the bracket that's holding the battery in. Now we can get to the bracket. It's also a 10mm. There should be two 10mm bolts holding this battery bracket on. Once you get both of them out, you'll be able to remove the battery bracket. Go ahead and set it off to the side. Still using our 10mm, we're going to go ahead and remove the negative cable to the battery, which is usually the black cable on most vehicles. If it gets stuck, just slide a flathead screwdriver like I did here to pop it up. Once you remove the negative one, go over to the positive one. Go ahead and remove that one as well. Might be different sizes here. Some are 12, some are 13mm. Anyway, get that battery out. Get your new one put in. The customer's actually putting a used one in. Now when we're putting it back on together, we're going to put the positive back on first. Go ahead and tighten it up. Once you get that tightened up, move over to the negative or the black cable. Put it back on. I'm still using the 10mm socket. Go ahead and tighten that bad boy back down. Now we're going to go ahead and put the battery bracket back on just the same way we took it off. Only fits one way. Go ahead and put your two 10mm bolts back on. Snug them bad boys down. Go ahead and put your ECM back on. Get your 10mm. Put it back on. Tighten the bad boy back down. See, this is a very simple job. This was going to cost you $100. Go ahead and put your cover back on. Slide it to the right. Last thing is just putting this little cover back on. It's usually 3 push pins, but remember we only had one. We did this in 15 minutes. I got 3 different quotes. All of them was $100 or more. Alright, that's it for today's video. Please give it a thumbs up if you liked it. If not, still give me a thumbs up. But in the comment section, let me know if there's any other repair videos that I can help you out with. You go ahead and send them to me. Also, please subscribe. Semper Fi, till next time.